Hi there, today we're going to look at volunteering. So the volunteering function in MIS allows you to record the amount of hours that someone has done for voluntary work. It can also be used to track participation hours or beneficiary hours in a project. So how do we do that? We start by putting a new volunteering entry in. To do that, we select a member. So at the moment it's got Andrew Byatt there. We could select a new one through the button Select Members. And let's search for one. We're going to select this member here. Select them so they go in there. So we've got two people now who are going to have volunteering hours recorded. We could override the club that these volunteering hours are allocated to if we wanted to by ticking this, and then you would have to select a specific club that these hours are allocated to. We're not going to do that today, we're going to leave it at the default clubs that they're already with. And then you select a volunteering type. Today we will select project work. Select a date that the volunteering occurred on and an amount of time. If you want to, you can put the frequency that this is repeated on. So it may happen weekly at the same time each week, and this might be happening until 2 months' time. So you have to click on the actual date on that calendar. So we have some time that this is going to be repeated until. We could add the advanced input mode, which then allows us to say who has benefited from these volunteer hours. So some sports bodies might use this to say how many participants were in each session. So we might say it was mainly members between 12 to 18. There was 20 people in the session, 10 male, 10 female, and out of those, one were in the special brackets. Now, these brackets just are often used in reporting for projects, so that's why they're there. Save this, and you can see that there's records here of the volunteering. So that's great. It says how many beneficiary hours are in each session. Difficult to find all those, so you might want to just find a certain volunteering type. So we might just want to look for the project work type. So we click to hide the show advanced options, the volunteering type for project work, search it, then it would only show those selections. It's not narrowing us down very far, so we might look where it's mainly members only. Doesn't narrow it down, so if we change this to mainly public, we'll see a change. You could select a specific club or region where this volunteering occurred and specific age ranges. So we've only got one age range here, so that's why that's shown up. You could export this list to a PDF if you wished, so you've got it, or a CSV or an Excel format document, and it will have your list there for you. The other thing with this is that it affects your volunteering dashboard. So you can have a look at how many hours volunteering have occurred each month, and and you can change a number of options in here. So if you want to see more about this, please watch the volunteering dashboard tutorial.